like it?
I love it.
Oh.
And you say, I hope I like it. That's just wonderful, baby. That's just wonderful.
You gonna cry?
No, I'm just...
Hi, fams. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You know what's coming next, right? Happy Valentine's Day. Yes, baby. You're representing in your red and white. Yeah, but you're being Santa Claus. Happy Valentine's Day to every single one of you guys. And if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day, well, happy Valentine's Day anyway. So you guys, I have been up early, got my workout done. I know it is going to be a busy day, so I make sure I got up early, got my workout done. I'm stuffing my face with some breakfast right now, finishing up and putting on all the final touches on today's vlog, because today your girl is gonna be busy. It's Valentine's Day and I have a special surprise for babe. I'm going to go all sorts of cuckoo crazy today, okay? Because your girl likes surprises, and babe, he gives surprises, but he doesn't go all out crazy like I do. So I have a crazy plan today. It's gonna take me some time to organize, so I won't bother with the lot of chit-chatting this morning. I'm just going to get right into it after I finish touching up this vlog for today and after I finish having breakfast. So I'm just going to get right into today's phrase. So the Jamaican pato for today is, me fi tell you. And me fi tell you means to be in agreement with somebody. So let me use it in a example and let you know what it means. So for example, if somebody said to you, Mel, this chocolate you gave me is so good, and my response is going to be, me fi tell you. So to be in agreement with somebody, especially when it's something exciting, it's one of babe completely total favorite expression to use, and he's been wanting me to give you guys this one for a few days now. So babes, this one is for you, me fi tell you. You get it? Make sure you get it. So that's the Jamaican pato for today. I'm going to finish eating, get right into babe surprise, and of course you guys have an amazing Valentine's Day. And make sure I get my workout in, because your girl is going to chow down later. We have a dinner date, and I am going to make sure that I get a piece of cheesecake. Okay, your girl deserves it. I've been working out very hard, so I've been working out to get my cheesecake in. Right, Tyler? Say good morning. Say hi. Say hello. Say happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, and I'm eating. Take your foot down. All right, you guys, so without no more chit-chatting for this morning, I'm gonna finish up this vlog, finish eating, and jump right into babe surprise. So let go. Okay, you guys, so I'm well on my way with my decorating our bedroom. So what I did is I got these love note pin onto some threads that I stick in the ceiling and all over the room, that I'm going to have him read when he gets home. So it's just some random love notes and some special days to us that I wrote on here. Okay, you guys, so it turned out exactly how I imagined it in my head. So here I have some red and white balloons that I just blow and throw along the floor and on the bed. And I have his gifts right here. And in the ceiling, I just hang some love notes and some special dates that means everything to us. So this is the final look. On the door, I have just one on the door that says hope you like it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna close the door and have him open the door, so when he opens the door he can see all this. So I hope he likes it. So that's the final product. I'm gonna close the window and see what it looks like with the window closed. I think it's going to be dark when he gets home later. So I'm just trying to see what it's going to look like with the lights on. So what I'm going to have him do, I'm just going to have him pull down the love notes one by one as he go along and reads them. That should be really cool. That's his little Valentine's Day surprise. You know, the thing about women is that we always expect the surprise, but I love to give surprises. I don't mind doing all these crazy things for him. And I'm sure he appreciates them. So there you have it, guys. I'll just sit and get ready and wait for him to get home. Hi, guys. I am ready and waiting for hubby to get home. He just messaged me that he's on his way right now. Tyler is taking a nap, which is super good because we are going to head out when babe get home. But first, let me show you guys my outfit of the day. This is my outfit, my Valentine's outfit. You guys, I have worn this dress in over 3 freaking years, and to pull this dress out and put it on right now, I feel like the old Melissa again. Okay, my hard work is paying off. Those workouts is paying off. See, told you guys, trust the process and it will all fall in. So this is my outfit of the day, and I'm waiting for babe to get home right now. So your girl is looking all kind of sassy and sexy right about now, okay? Don't judge me. Your girl just feels sassy and she feels sexy and she feel like the old Melissa again. She's a mama, but who cares? Mama's supposed to be sexy, okay? All right, and I'll be with my husband, okay? So you can stay there, go on and judge me. All right, you guys, I am actually going to, I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to I don't have 2 cameras, I only have 1 camera. So I think I'm going to keep the vlog camera in my hand. I'm going to set up my phone in the bedroom as soon as I think he's going to reach home. That way I can get his reaction from both angles when he walks in the bedroom. So I hope he likes my surprise, and I'm really feeling excited about it. So let's wait on him until he gets home. So see you guys in a bit. Oh, how is you there? Who looks pretty? You looks pretty?
Yeah, too.
Hmm?
Hi guys, happy Valentine's Day to everybody today. It's the 14th, come back from work, so now I gotta be ready to go out somewhere with my wife. So I hope everybody enjoying their day, and we catch you guys later. And you say, I hope I like it. That's just wonderful, isn't it? That's just wonderful.
You gonna cry?
No, I'm just feeling it. It's beautiful.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, I'm happy you like it. Go.
Girls, who don't like that?
You need to take them down one by one and read what's on all of them.
You are the love of my life. Mrs. Love? So Mr. Loves to be somewhere. You are the most important person in the world to me. I love you because the way you are my one true love. Okay? Sorry, Tyler. You're fake love. I was just sleeping the night like all of them. That would be no.
Well, you can leave them if you want. You can leave them.
I wanna go out with you, me too. Dimitri, little Vic. Dimitri is my middle name. Ludo. Mr. Love. Ah, Mr. Love is here. Mr. Love is here too. Yeah, Stephanie. Be my Valentine. Oh yes, I will. Oh yes, I will. Another day with a smile. Well, we both have a smile right now. Thank you for making my life better. I love you. You are mine forever. Oh yes, I am. I am so proud of you. Oh. Mwah. I want to be there for you. You are there for me, baby. Oh, Starry, you make me so happy, really? I make you happy? December 14, 2013. How can I survive without you? Ask the Lord. Aww.
Oh, I love you.
I love you too. Love you too. Aww. Mr. and Mrs. Love. That's
You
a
like them?
cute one. Oh yeah, that's a pretty one.
Oh my God! It's heaven and earth. Oh my God. Jesus, baby! Oh my God!
You like it?
Oh my God, what is it called? J'adore. Is the one that I saw advertising on TV recently, is the latest one, baby? Oh my God. Baby.
Then you perfume the room?
Ah, it's so sexy. Thank you, my love. Thank you. Thank you. Hi, babes. All kind of stuff I'm getting all on me. I put so much thought and little effort and little detail into surprising Babe, and he super loved it. We just got back home from dinner, and I'm gonna put this little bad boy to bed, and we're going to hang out for the rest of the night. We're gonna watch some movies and just chill. You guys, we're gonna damn, look at your face.
I'm a parrot.
Okay, you guys, so we're just gonna end the vlog here, send you guys off on your merry way. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this vlog. Oh babe, the Jamaican patois for today is I'm if you tell you. Yes, honey. Make sure you guys get the Jamaican expression for today.
Yeah, but you gotta say what it means.
I already tell them what it means,
Okay.
my love. It's just you were to say it.
Okay, let me tell you.
Yes.
Alright, guys.
Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time watching, and if it's not your first time, thanks for always coming back. We love all of you guys. We love all of our faves. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Bye guys. Tyler, say bye bye. Tyler, bye bye. Yes, say bye bye. Bye bye. Tyler, look. Bye bye. Good boy. Bye guys. We will see you in our next vlog.